Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is on this dramatic makeup look. I have created this tour like dedicated to the Valentine's Day coming up. Yes, that's why I have a classic red lip with a golden glittery kind of eye with the dramatic winged liner. All the products will be on the description box below as well, and don't forget to enter my giveaway. My giveaway is going on at the moment and it's been started. If you are following me on any of my social media, you would have known it by now, because yes, I unfortunately couldn't do it in a video yet. It's because I was way too busy for that. But however, you can still enter. There is still almost 20 days to enter. 20 days, and the giveaway is worldwide, internationally open. All the giveaway rules will be linked down on the description box below. This is open internationally. There will be two winners, not owners. There will be two winners for the giveaway, and I will be announcing the winner on the first week of February, so you still have a lot of time to enter. So don't forget to enter for the giveaway, and I think that is it for today. I will see you guys on my next video. Okay? Bye! For my face, I'm going to take my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and I'm just going to put that as a primer on my face. Not my face, my eyes. And make sure I'm blending it really nice and make it smoother. Make sure you're tapping it with fingers so the product is warmed up enough and it will sit on the skin perfectly. And next you have to set it with a powder, and for that I'm using the Smashbox Pillow Powder, which is actually a loose foundation, but I take a little tiny bit on a fluffier brush, which is by Morphe. I forgot the number. I'm just dusting it on my eyelid as you just saw, and then I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I simply love it, and you guys already know it by now. So now I'm gonna take the shade Desert Sand, and I'm gonna use the same fluffy brush which I just used for my initial color, like the foundation powder to put on, because I just realized this color is like a perfect one to put a neutral base on my eye. So yeah, why not? Now I'm taking my BH Fluffy blending brush with the shade Amber and very lightly dusting it on my crease and trying to blend outward at the same time. This means I'm actually putting this as my initial transition shade. Make sure you are taking your time to blend the color all the way up so it blends to nothing. And next I'm gonna take the Morphe M433 brush and the shade Out, I don't know how to say it. It's a chocolate brownish kind of color, and trying to tuck it on the crease itself. I'm just trying to focus on the crease and blending it outward, but not really taking it too much at the same time, as you can see right here. So go on back and forth windshield wiper motion, and this will give you a nice transition toward the shade we just did. So now I'm taking my BH Fluffy blending brush and just going over the edges. And now I'm taking the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot again, just to make my lid a little bit tackier and also make it a little bit more blank space, because I will be putting something right on top, like more like a shimmery glittery kind of color, which you will just see in a minute. And I'm doing the same on my other eye. Usually I show both the eye at the same time, but I decided to change it a little bit this time. However, I'm taking the Natasha Denona Holiday Collection palette, the small ones obviously, and the shade is, the palette is Aaeris. I'm going to take the Fresh Champagne Gold shade and taking it on my ring finger and tapping it on top of that MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot we just laid down on the eyelid, because this will give me a stickier base. To do it, you can even use a concealer, does not really matter. Now I'm gonna take the shade right here, I forgot what is it called, my bad. I'm just trying to tuck it in as the transition between the two shades. As you can see, I am not really putting it on the outer corner, but again, it's just a transition between the chocolate brown at the outer corner and the champagne gold shade I just did on my eyelid. So this will give me a very nice transition. And now I'm going to take the Morpheum for 2-3, which I was just using. I will just use that to blend it out nicely so it gives a nice gradient color. Now I'm going to use the Kat Von D tattoo liner, really quickly line up my eyes, and I'll be back when my liner is done. And now I'm back with my liner done, and I'm taking my Natasha Denona Black as Black eyeshadow, and I'm just taking a little fluffy brush to go over with it and just putting it on the outer V just to define it a little bit more and just to give it a dimension. And this looks perfectly shaped. So now I will be putting my mascara on and my lashes, and I will be back in 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna take a Marc Jacob eye kohl and run that on my lower lash line really quick. And now I'm going back on my Huda Beauty palette, and now I will take a little smaller smudging brush, and I'll be taking the shade OTD first and running it on the bottom lash line really quick. A little smaller pencil brush and really quickly take the shade from Natasha Denona, and that is called Nude 140 CP. So run it down. If you want, you can add a little bit of a glitter on the inner corner, not really inner corner, right on the top of your eyelid. So I'm going to take my NYX liquid color crystal, and this is in the shade, what is the shade? Dramatic Sparkle, and just put that right on top of my lid just to make it a little bit more pop. So as you can see, I'm putting that gold glitter on my eyelid, and this will pop the eyes way much more than it was popping so far. If you want, you can totally skip that, not necessary. And for the lipstick today, I'm using the Dose of Color Extra Saucy Liquid Lip. I love this shadow and I love their formula lately. I am in love with it. However, I'm spraying my face with the Pixie Beauty Milky Mist, and I am loving it lately. Just adjusting the eyeshadow as much as you need. If you want to add anything else, by all means go ahead. And I forgot to put my highlighter on, and for highlighting I'm using the Becca Opal on my cheeks today and highlighting everywhere I want. And that is it for today. So do not forget to enter my giveaway, guys. I will see you guys on my next. Bye. What do you want?